Morning guys, alright, we're doing the old wheels today. This is it, this state of this, proper mudded, all that, just the whole thing is completely, totally destroyed. Alright, what you need is obviously orbital sander with 320 grit, some nylon pads to get in the nicks and crannies, obviously masking tape. I'm using just this semi stuff from Halford's, clear acrylic lacquer, does alright. Body Shop primer grey, works a treat. And also this wheel silver, which is just that colour. So obviously what we've got to do is we've got to sand all this down first, completely. So it's back to like all the primer. And then I'll put some body filler on it. And then we'll sand that back down and we'll mask it up and we'll spray it. So obviously this is a DIY jobby because I've not really done this before, so I thought I'd give it a try and video it and see how I get on. Good old makeshift tripod to raise it up so you guys can see it a little bit higher. Wait for you to do the trick. Alright, let's crack on and do some sanding. Plug this in. Got some power. Let's crack on. Right, get another pad. See if I can find them. Where the bloody hell did I put them? I think this pad's kind of had it, don't you? So there. Again. You can see I had to put 240 on this because it's literally so mudded. So now there's no like spots that you can't feel or anything, which is all good. So I've got to do put some primer on that. Once I've done all the edging around all this and on the inside of there and inside there and inside there, everywhere, whack some primer on it. And then we can see where all the little dips and bits that need filling. So I'll just do that now. This is example, no silver. So you want them all like that, not like that. You've got all the still shiny bit of silver, shiny bit there, but look, not in there, it's not, it's all ready to be primed. It's a bit, it takes forever. Right, there you go, that's pretty much all done. Just got to go over it a little bit more, so that's all sanded now, all nice and smooth. Whack some primer on that, That's the bit that takes forever, I think, is just the sanding. But spraying is quite straightforward and quick. So what I'll do is I'll put some cleaner, and then we'll be ready to mask it up and prime it. Alright, let's get the fun fiddly bit bloody done. Right, now this does not look fun. It looks like it's got a different type of bloody tyre. By the way, I have tried the cards that you put along here. When it's a bit windy, you can't use them because they just fall onto your gloss. And it did it the other day and it really hacked me off. So, do it the old fashioned way. Masking tape, bag round it, job done. Hallelujah, we've finally done it. Alright, that's all primed. Right, I had to resand the whole entire thing again and redo it because for some reason that stupid can kept on dripping. I don't know why it done it, but I've done it now. Resanded it, re-primed it, and now you can see what it is. And now I'm putting the silver on, and then 3 coats of that, and then I'll be doing a couple coats of lacquer. Job done. Alright. Just do a light dusting coat first. I always just do the edging first, and then the spokes. Leave that now. Leave that for about half an hour. That's So I'll just pick this up and put it in the sun because I ain't got no sun here. And then I'll put it back there in about half an hour and then crack on with another coat. Half an hour later. Let's try again, half an hour. Just get in there, guys. Oh, there you go. Right, another waiting bit. Right, that's been left to dry. I'm gonna go and put this in some hot water, and then we'll be ready to lacquer. Alright, that is boiling hot. Nice and hot, so it should hopefully make it a bit better. Just spray. These bars don't do anything, by the way. Right, we'll let that just have a little cook in the sun. I'll sit there anyway, it's a bit better. Nice and shiny. Got to do that one next. I did start doing that, but obviously I need to do this one quick. Once this one's done, then I'll do that one. So now all we've got to do is do two more coats, one or two coats, depends on what it's covered like. And then we're putting back on the car. Now then I've got another two more wheels, so put that one. Oh, for God's sake, this took ages as it is. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.